How to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. First and foremost, launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your story icon or your profile icon or your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Once you're on this page, scroll down a bit and under your story section, tap and open up your story. After that, navigate to your bottom left corner and tap on the view icon. Here you can see who have viewed your story. There, or next to that account, they will find a small screenshotted icon. Like on this interface, or next to this friend account, there I have a screenshot icon. That means this account has screenshotted my story. So this is the way to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.